Please stop selling that. Oh yeah.
Every nigga know they hit.
We gon' grind it on out and legally rob banks and they don't have. Please stop selling that.
How y'all doing this Sunday? Go ahead, tap in.
Please stop selling that.
Make sure you smash that like button.
Oh yeah. Bitch, I do my own damn thing, and the damn thing change street shit. Do rag gold where the stock market hit. Penny stock, gut them out. VPN on the route. Binary, optional. For the cloud market maker, and I make the market move unannounced. King shit. It been chance since the day I planned it out. Commander-in-chief, commanding plays through the south. I'm talking continent, say yourself from the doubt. We own a bigger cheese.
You already know how we do this. Go ahead and shout out your favorite pair.
Subs, keep it loud. Call the bank cells. We need safe clearance. Got the fingerprinter if you need a fingerprint. It's brilliant heights in history and you can't
Go ahead and shout out where you from.
sit there and you listen. We in the next phase. So fuck if you hurt.
Let's go.
Correct when you act control first.
All right. Shout out to you guys. Hey, shout out what you have for breakfast. What'd you eat for breakfast this morning? Go ahead and spat out in the comment section while you smashing that like button. Let's get it.
Oh yeah, hey, it's a trade gang, switch smash same day. We'll still knock you out. We don't even gang bang, but the gang getting bigger, so you know it's gang gang. Need to have meta trader if you don't, you a lame. Making money on our phones if you don't, you can't hang. This that space age hustling. You're still on the block, you a space age buster. We make legal dope, that's that space age muster. No, I got the sauce in my space age shuffler. Niggas act tough, but my niggas really tough, yo. We don't want problems and you really don't want those, and we be scared of building.
I had to take y'all back to Long Beach this morning. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Time up for throw 'em all through the back door. Need the ancient secrets, it's a heist for the black holes. And if they don't add me up, you gon' have to bust that.
Let's go.
We gon' grind it. Rob banks and they don't have. Please stop selling that. Yeah, man. Please stop selling that. Goddamn, you got enough. Please stop selling that. Goddamn. Oh yeah.
Cool. So that was Please Stop Selling Out. You want to check that song out? That's on my topic. So you type my name in Google or YouTube, and then on the sidebar, it got all my music and stuff. So you just go there, and that's how you go ahead and get it cracking. But yo, let's get it though, man. Hey, shout out to all y'all who are tapped in this morning. Shout out to you guys. I know you guys are on here lit. We about to be turned up, man. I'm giving you guys that good energy this Sunday. You already know we're gonna start with them big pairs first. Or not even pairs, we're gonna start with the indexes first, and then we'll work our way down. What's cool though? Bitcoin on the rise. Fuck them other guys. They even gave them a chance to decide. Now it's something they know. You feel me? Hey, I'm telling you though, like everything's booming right now, man. I looked at the Trade Gang Discord, everybody getting cracking. You know what I'm saying? So, man, just like I said, one time for you guys, big shout out to you guys, man. Give you guys a round of applause. You know what I'm saying? Give you guys a round of applause, man. And turn shit up. Let's get it. So go ahead, man. You said drop some new music. I got some new music coming this week. Don't trip. Hey, but look, so boom, us 30. Let's get right into this thing. All right. So some daily shit. Boom. So a lot of people have been confused about this pair. They've been like, yo, what's going on? Nasdaq has definitely been on a much better run. SPX 500, the S&P Standard & Poor's 500 has definitely been on a much better run as well. All right. But shit, US 30 has seen better days. All right. But the story of these two candlesticks is what I want to talk about right here. Now, a lot of people were like, yo, man, like it dropped and then it rose. And it did this shit twice. All right. So I'm going to put a trend line on there, or it will act as support. Then we'll put resistance on the top. We'll go ahead and put the channels. I'll go ahead and throw I'm not even gonna do harmonics. I could if I wanted to, but I'll go ahead and do Fibonacci. We're gonna keep it super simple. You know what I'm saying? And then let's get it like that. You from LA? What's up? Tap in. What's up, Crypto? What's up, H-Town? Hey, what's up, H-Town? You in this bitch though? Let me shout out some more. Who was that up in here? You said Des Moines, Iowa. Hey, let's get it. You feel me? Mask up, black mask shit, ape shit, go dumb. Okay. And they people like black man, like I'm not saying black man, I'm saying black mask, like having on a black mask, like black mask shit, ape shit, go dumb. Like, so well, I'll drop the lyrics soon. You know what I'm saying? I'll drop the lyrics soon. All right. But overall, last week the market was bullish. You're gonna see that on GJ. You see that on UC where it was bearish. You'll see different pairs and stuff like that. We get into more pairs right now. Like I said, you already know we start big. You know, so we're gonna start on the big shit first. Big shit popping and little shit rocking. Like, let's get it. So boom. So the story of these two candlesticks, like I said, basically This is what happened. Then we'll get more cracking. So market dropped, boom, right? That's that long wick, push back up, and then kind of push down a little bit to the downside. All right. So that's that candlestick. And then once again, the same story. Next day, market dropped, boom, came back up, and then just kind of fizzled out to the downside. So it pushed to the downside twice, but then it got rejected 2 times. So you guys got to understand, like, boom, okay, market got rejection 2 times to the downside. So like, can we get one more? Can we get another push there? It's a possibility, and you should always think of the possibilities. Yeah, that's cool. It's always a, you know what I'm saying, a possibility or whatever. But check it. We're still on that bull run. Market is still long. Investors are still long. Gold is still getting cracking. Bitcoin is getting cracking. Okay. Then I'll delete these little dojis over here, dragonfly dojis that you call them. So if you don't know your candlesticks, then you be like,
What's your candlesticks time? What's my candlesticks time? You know what? Look, I'm gonna go and check out that what was that video he recommended, guys? That understanding Japanese candlesticks. I'm gonna go ahead and check that out one time, you know. I'll go ahead and look at that. I think I watched it once, you know. If I watch it 2-3 times, I might be able to understand it, Jack.
Let's get it. Let's get it though. You feel me? Well, yeah, so we got 2 dragonfly dojis right there. And I mean, yeah, the candlesticks, they don't matter, but it's the story that the market is telling you. So you kind of just gotta watch the story. You know what I mean? You gotta watch the story. So let's get it. So if you don't know what a trend is, you definitely need to go and look at some more videos. So we got 2 pushes off the downside. I mean, it's a possibility we could come down and retouch. The area that it keeps testing is 26,200. All right, so 26,200. So is it a possibility? Yeah, well, let me see. Let me go down a little bit lower. Actually, it's 26,000. 26,000. It keeps touching 26,000. My bad. That's the bottom of that. So it keeps touching 26,000. So that's like 400 points. So is it a possibility that the market could go down and grab that joint one more time? It's a strong possibility, yes. It's already had 2 pushes there, but it got rejected twice. So with it being rejected twice, that's kind of like the marketplace telling you, like, nah. Like, you putting up the shot, and that shit like, pop, nigga, nah, not happening. You feel me? Not happening. So you gotta. Yeah, I mean, that's the game. We watching the game, right? So if you watching a basketball game, you watching a football game, and a play happens, and a big play happens, you like, yo, this is really, that's what's going on right here. You know what I'm saying? So you're like,
What's going on, Ty? What's going on, Ty?
Boom. We're gonna get to GJ. I got you. I'm getting you on US 30, trying to get a direction for the week. I don't want to just, yes, it's going up, because like I'm giving you the education behind it, and then we'll move on. We're gonna move much quicker, but you already know, for the new people, I always like to get on here and break it all the way down. Charlie, hey, bring that shit up, huh? We're gonna get to that too. A new Forex challenge. I got a new Forex challenge coming for you guys as well. Make sure you smash that like button. Because, hey, YouTube loves when you smash the like button. All right. So boom, 2 pushes off the bottom. We getting some rejection. We've got some rejection. Could price keep going back up and go and tap that 27,000 area this week? We're gonna go ahead and put a ceiling right there. You go ahead and put a ceiling on top of there. All right, let's try to get that and see what it is. Mind you, I'm on a daily chart right now. You ask me what chart I'm on. I am on the daily chart right now. All right, so boom, swinging off the bottom. It's already tapped the bottom in a sense. Price has already hit off the bottom of this area. So, I mean, it's expected to possibly swing up. Okay. It's already been rejected twice. Bulls have said no 2 times. So, hey, I'm reading it as it is. Like, the candlesticks tell you a story as well. You know what I mean? So, like, that's what I'm reading. That's what it is. I'm like, damn, you try to dry the price. You try to dry the ball in there and got that shit swatted twice. The centers was like, nah, bro. Like, then hey, shoot from the 3. Let me see a shot. You feel me? Let's get it. We need more likes though. Run that joint up. So boom, double rejection off the bottom. Could we get to that 27,000 area this week? It's a strong possibility. I'm definitely looking for market to go ahead and rise this week and get up to this area. You feel me? All right, there we have to go look at news reports. I go look at some company earnings to see what's popping, you know, stuff like that. But other than that, like, I'm definitely seeing the bulls continue. Look, could we get another push to the downside? And the answer is yes. So it's already went there 2 times. So look, the market Sunday, Monday, it could be like, you know what, I'm gonna try to fucking rush to the downside real quick. You know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is. Just because it's been there twice. You know what I mean? But shit, I'm looking at this bottom rejection right here. Like, man, every time it gets down into this area, this is pretty much ready for me to go ahead and take some new buys. You know what I mean? If you need a scalp, boom, tighten up your stops, you'll be able to get it in and out. Because I mean, us 30 not really letting us float it. On the back end, you can float it, but I mean, shit, on the front end, you're gonna have to trade this joint. And I mean, that's gonna require you, in a sense, almost to have to get in and out. You know what I mean? So let's get it. Trade, hey, run that shit up, huh? Let's get it. We're gonna get to there. We're gonna get to there. I'm gonna turn y'all up, but I mean, we're gonna get to business first. So that's US 30. So for the long term, I definitely see it continuing. For this week, I definitely see it continuing. I'll mark this up on a daily. That's what chart I'm on right now. So what chart are you on time on the daily chart, man? It's the daily chart. All right. So now we're gonna move on. All right, we will move on. Okay. Let's get it cracking. So get this off here. Leave. All right, now let's move to that Nasdaq smoking on that ass crack. You feel me? And it's like, it's dope because we got a song for that Nasdaq, and like for the US 30 we had the song too, like flip that shit, run that shit back, and we are going to turn up to that one time. You feel me? We are going to turn up to that one time later in the joint, but we're going to turn on that Nasdaq right now because I'm off that gas pack, baby. Let's get it. I'm gonna explain Nasdaq. I'm gonna explain this fib. If you were here last week on whenever the last week was, I think that was the 26th. This is July 27th. So I mean, that's literally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You know what I'm saying? So these 5 candlesticks represent the whole week. I told you it was gonna be a bullish week. So I mean, some people are able to, you know, grab their trades here and just hold that motherfuckers, like, you know what I mean? So look, how you gonna do it? If I shrink it down, we're still on the uptrend. You know what I mean? I mean, this was from, I think, last week or something too, or some shit. But we're still on the uptrend, and then I'll go ahead and delete the fib off of here real quick too. Boom. So I mean, it's still tapping. So where we're at now, we are in this area. Price is getting it's about to get into this little pennant type area. And could we see some rejections? Could we see price start wicking out? You see how I'm just extending my support. That's it. Just extending my support. I ain't even had to move my shit. This is the daily chart, so I'm trading off the daily. When you guys looking at the weekly analysis, the small time frames on the weekly is like the daily. You said, let me shoot one of the videos. Shit, come through and fuck with me. What's up? You feel me? Where you at? Where you at? Tap in. I definitely, for sure, I need some cameramen too to fuck with me, cameramen. Feel me? So come tap in. What's up?
Hey yo, Kizzy, what the fuck?
What the fuck? Trade.
Here we go, 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 here we go. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack.
Yo, turn up. We about to be lit in this joint. You feel me? Just tap in. So tap in. Let's get it. What's up?
Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack.
Turn up.
Set it, attack.
This joint. You feel me?
Fill up the
Just
tank.
tap in. So tap in. Let's get it.
Run up the belt back. Bitch,
Turn up.
niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool. Swerving through the lane.
Let's get it though. Shout out to y'all.
Make a big flip. You on them currencies, just a little tip. That's 100, that's some big shit. US 30 yard profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end.
Okay. So we back in. What's up? See a long term, right? Hold on. Listen to this shit.
Then you sandwich it. Okay, get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plans. Leave it up to ops and then fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on your sand. Time always moving, so you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the Rory. Ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the barter. Sliding through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers. So who really own you to get your back in? Niggas never been a boss, but talking pack shit. You don't even own your own masters, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Hey, fill up the tank, amass that.
Let's get it.
Run up the wealth, that's a big bat. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it,
I got you on that silver. Let's get it.
Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. I wake up, life is different and I see the view.
And for sure, I'm definitely gonna start collabing soon. You know what I'm saying? Come fuck with me. What's up? The music business, baby.
Yeah, I walk to my rows and open up the door. Start the engine, drop the top, and I'm on the road. Like the tip of the J while I'm on the go. Close a trade and move the point to the honor roll. MetaTrader out here busting like an act.
Who got MetaTrader downloaded on their phone?
Black Air Force Ones and Black Mac.
You already know what that is.
Energy off back. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, I'm Nasdaq.
Let's get to it though. Let's get to it though.
Big back, Nasdaq, Nasdaq.
All right. So, hey, before we get off this Nasdaq though, so I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more. All right. Let's get it. So check it. Look, Nas price is high. We already spoke about it. It's currently hitting resistance. Is price still in an uptrend? Is the Nas 100 still in an uptrend? Is Nasdaq still in an uptrend? Are companies still performing well? Yes. All yeses across the board. Okay, so the current story of this doji right here, if you read the other one first, you seen the other one, it was red. This one is bulls. So it's like price dropped a little bit, you feel me? Set back up, literally just pushed back up. So here's the story of this candlestick right here. It's another dragonfly. This one just a bullish one. Some are bearish, some are bullish. What's the difference, Ty, before a bullish dragonfly and a bearish dragonfly? They're both dojis, and I know that dojis are, you know, indecisive, but are people truly making decisions or what? Yo, hey, we just hit 70K, man. So hey, shout out to you guys, really, man. Shout out to you guys, Trade Gang shit. We up. We gonna keep building. You know what I'm saying? No gimmicks. You feel me? Just some raw Forex shit. You know what I mean? So that's what I like. That's what I love. Let's keep it G. You dig? XRP to the moon. Shit. Nah, I don't know. Possibly. I got a song called XRP too. But look, so that's what's going on the nasty Nas. You dig? You dig? That nastiness. All right, so look, once again, we are at that resistance. Boom, price should bounce down just a little bit, possibly one more time. It may just retest. What is that? 10,717. That's like what, 200 points. You know what I'm saying? So it's a possibility it could come down to retest one more time. Shit. Could we get into this area once again, 10,400? It's a possibility too, but I don't feel like we about to have an extremely bearish week when we're on an uptrend and it's like, shit, you got higher highs and higher lows. So I feel like price just needs to make a higher low, you know what I mean? Just to get cracking, you know what I'm saying? Shit, make another higher low. We at a higher high right now. It forms a higher low, gives buyers a chance to go ahead and get in. New buyers go ahead and get in. We talk about that bull run, baby, so we back in. But that's in the song on the Nasdaq joint. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, you know what I'm saying? So the people who fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? It's 70,000 of us now. You know what I mean? It's 70,000 of us now. We building. So the people who've been on this journey, who've been building, they understand when that Nasdaq played, it's a whole different vibe for us. So when we are rocking in stadiums, when we are cracking, when it is lit out here, when this COVID is up and we, you know what I'm saying, doing our thing again, like, and it's Nasdaq, smoking on that gas crack. Let's say that gas pack, you know what I'm saying? I was about to say that gas crack, you stupid, that gas pack, you know what I'm saying? We lighting up in the stadiums, big blunts, what's up? We lit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get your mimosas and shit, sit down in the seats and enjoy the motherfucking show. All right, so hey, look, we about to go to GU right now. Should I go to GU or the S&P? I should definitely go to the S&P. Let's stay on the big shit first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go fuck with silver, since so many people are, go man, show me silver, man. Let's silver. And, hey, look, I seen Robert Kiyosaki talking about it. They was going crazy talking about the silver in the Discord. So, you know, I found out some facts about silver as well, and I'm gonna look into it right now. Well, not right now, but after this SPS 5. Oh yeah, we speak about the SPS 500 in that Forex song, and we can talk more about that Forex challenge too. Was good. Make sure you guys are spamming the chat, man. Let's keep that chat. I want to see right now. It says I'm getting 21 messages a minute. We need to be at like 500 messages a minute. You feel me? We almost at 1,000 viewers live. When you get that cracking, you need to go ahead. I'm looking at everything on a daily. If I could go into the 4 if you want me to, but I mean, look, you don't even need to do all that, man. It's just, you know where you're at. Now you can go, you should follow along on your MetaTrader. Follow along on your MetaTrader. That's how you literally suck up the most game by following along on a MetaTrader. He said, let me put your live band together. Shit, tap in with me, bro. Tap in with me. You already know it's about to, look, we about to be rocking. You feel me? So, Trey, hey, run that shit up. Like, just know, we about to get it cracking. You feel me? So, I appreciate all you guys who've been building with me. Trade Gang is so many creatives and creative people inside of the network. It's amazing. I definitely am appreciative to work with so many different amazing people. You know what I'm saying? So we got a dope little support team. You know what I'm saying? So let's just keep building. Like I said, I can't wait to get these stadiums just cracking. And yeah, you know, let's get it. So SPX 500. Yeah, what's up now? But I mean, same thing. You still see the same 2 doji patterns right here. So we already had the bullish week. You know what I'm saying? This is the 27th. So this is 1 candlestick. This is, so I'll take you through the week right here. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So in a sense, you did have a whole week of gains. So on Thursday and Friday, you lost gains. Not necessarily, because if you would have entered early, I mean, you kind of would have went a little red. Okay, you would have went a little red. Okay, but I mean, shit, that was just a red day. If you were checking your portfolio, every day not gonna be a green day. Like, shit, you want every day to be a green day, and it's the investing world. You gotta have one bad day, you know, so you can learn some shit, so you can learn from it. You know, that's how it goes. But price definitely is at the top of resistance again. So it's actually tapped this price like 4 or 5 times. Okay, so it's either A, the week gaps up and just gets going, boom, continues the uptrend, because we are in an uptrend. The economy's recovering. We can go back months ago, look on a monthly, you'll see the months when the COVID-19 truly affected the economy, and you seeing all the red candlesticks. Now you see the economy recovering, and we're on the uptrend. So everything should be on the up and up. If businesses are trying to recover, we're adapting to a more technological world. Tech stocks are about to continue to boom, you know what I mean, as newcomers come into the game and development, you know what I mean? So got some fire agua right there. Let's get it. So we're gonna turn it up, you know what I'm saying? Trade Gang Season 2 merch on the way. Let's talk about that too. I'm gonna still talk about the SPX. I'll go ahead and mark it up, but check it out. So everybody been asking, yo, when Trade Gang Season 2 dropping? And what's dope is it's dropping this Friday, so you guys get a chance to get some of the merch. If you missed last season, sheesh. But hey, look, so you guys get a chance to be a part of this season. All right. And hopefully you're able to get some items. You already know how I'm releasing. All right, so every Friday we'll be updating the store with new updates and stuff, so you guys get a chance to, you know, buy shit. Every Friday, like I said, every Friday we updating, you know. And I don't know how long the season gonna last, but it's not gonna be like a super long season. We just boom, in and out, and then boom, Trade Gang Season 3. Okay, so tomorrow on the website, TradeGang.com, it's just gonna be a timer that's just counting down. Boom, just gonna count down all the way until Friday. So, but what's gonna be dope is I'm gonna be dropping hints all on the site, so you're just gonna have to see like what I drop. Like I might change the background and it's gonna be a quote. I might change the background and it might be, you know, a map that leads you somewhere on the internet and you're supposed to go find some shit, and then we left something there for you. So you're like, oh man, I found this, or like it's just, like I said, just tap in. It's pretty dope, you know what I mean? I definitely been building, you know. Trade Gang is a very creative brand, so you know, it's definitely gonna be creative, okay? But yeah, smash that like button, smash that like button, bitch. Let's get it, and go ahead and close that top in real quick. All right, let's get it. Boom, it's cracking. So that's what you see. All right, is price still on the up and up? Price is still swinging to the upside. We're still in a hawkish market. What hawkish means is bullish. So hawkish and bullish are the same thing. You feel me? So that's what it is. It's cracking. All right, on the in there. Okay, what's up? Then knowledge is power. I'm ready to get off this demo. Yeah, man, get off that demo. Music King, Ty working. Yo, what's up? Hey, bro, you been working too. Gold. We can get on gold. I go to gold for y'all. I go to gold for y'all. Let's go to gold then silver. Okay, gold then silver. Gold been getting off. Bitcoin been going stupid. We'll talk more about Bitcoin too. Feel me? All right. So that was the last time I marked up gold, and that was at 1831. I guess, or did I mark it up last week or some shit? I think we did. Gold's still on the uptrend, still on the up and up. Like, where's gold going? We still up and well. We could look at this on the daily. This the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's gonna possibly break out again. You feel me? This is the 2 hour. Looks like it's about to. You already know. When you see these type of patterns, I mean, the people who trade, y'all know what it is, man. We ain't even about to be playing with this shit. This is an uptrend. Like, where's this entire chart going? Nigga, is the whole chart going like this to the upside, nigga, or is the whole chart going like this to the downside? I'm like, I mean, oh, that's not trading, motherfucker. Hey, I'm gonna tell you what. See a company, go look at a company sheet with a sheet like this, and you looking at the performance of the company sheet, like, damn, this is some great performance. If we're looking at it from a performance level, see, now we talk about some real, you know what I'm saying? Look, matter of fact, tap in. Let's get it. But like, gold, so still on the up and up. Could gold reach 2,000? We could possibly reach 2,000. That's the daily. We are at the highs. Can we get some more pushes to the downside? what's the range on gold? It's like 1940 and 1980. That's like the total range for that. Looking at it on the daily. All right, so that's the top of this. Boom, that's our resistance point, and then that support point sitting where that is. So the bottom is, what is that, 39? So that says 39, and then the top that says 75. All right, so 75.80. So that's our range right there for gold. So could next week, could we break through and keep going north? We definitely could break through and keep going north. I mean, what's stopping gold? There's nothing up here stopping it. Okay, let's go to the monthly. All right, we're at the highest we've ever been. So there's nothing stopping gold from continuing to just shoot the fuck up. This is the monthly too. So basically, we're gonna get a new monthly candle. If last month was engulfing, you guys know how to trade. If last month was engulfing, right? Last month was engulfing. All right. So I mean, that's letting you know that the market's bullish as fuck. You're just gonna keep pushing. What time frame is this? This is the monthly. This is the monthly. It's a monthly bullish candlestick. Could we get pushes to the downside? And yes, we could. Like, shit, in a sense, the last resistance point really is like 1841, you know? So could it pull all the way back 100? Like that would be crazy. But then it's still a possibility, because then if you look over here, when price got to its high, the shit just kind of doubled back, you know what I'm saying, and lost all this gain. So really it's like, will the investors sell off, or will we keep the fucking market shit just continuing? Like, I mean, look at where gold could possibly go. Like, gold could go as high as it wants to, you know what I mean? It's a safe haven. It's the place where people really feel like, you know, this is going to be most secure. And look at the financial markets. If it's kind of unstable, we know gold is going to be around. It's going to stick. It's the commodity, you know, in a sense, shit. Before, I mean, we moved into this system, you had the gold standard. So we've used that system before, you know what I mean? Let's get it. All right, so that's the monthlies. 4 hour, boom, bring it in. I'll show you what it is. This is what you got on the 4. All right, it's what you got on the 4. Price just waiting like that. So are we still on the up? We're still on the up. All right. So let's go to that silver real quick. People are talking about that silver. So let's go rock with that. Let's go rock with that silver one time for the one time. Yo, smash that like button. No, smash the like button. You said last week you made 1274 from gold by my analysis. Hey, hell yeah. Keep getting it. Keep getting it. You want DXY to continue bearish? Easy call. Great British Pound. We're going to go over to Great British Pound right now. I'll go over there and rock with y'all on that GBP. Go with that GBP. Let's get it. Let's get it. You said any insight when Tesla will join SPX5? To be honest, shit, just gotta look into it. You know what I mean? Let's go to silver though. A lot of people were talking about that silver. Y'all wanted to see that silver bad. Y'all wanted to see the silver bad. You said gold bullish as fuck. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. All right, let's go ahead and pull up that silver real quick, and then I'm gonna pull up that that shit that we yiking to. So I'm about to introduce this Forex challenge. I'm gonna give y'all like 2 weeks because shit, the market is wicked. Some of y'all be over leveraging your accounts and shit, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna give y'all 2 weeks to get it done. Okay, so it's gonna be like a little $500 Forex challenge. So the premise of the challenge is this: if you guys got screen recorders and all of that shit, I know people be recording, like this is how to, when you watch the streamers, they be recording. So get your stream recorders out so you record this part. So this is how the challenge goes. All right, all I'm challenging you to do is open a brand new account, any broker that you choose. All right, you even if you already have a broker, you can literally go into the back end of your broker and just open another account. Like it's that simple. So open a new account for this. Okay, deposit whatever you want in there. You could do any amount. All right, there's no, oh, I gotta put X amount. Like, you don't have to have no crazy amount in there. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, and so after this, so that's step 1. Open a brand new account and put whatever account you want inside the account. I guess the smallest that you could possibly put is like whatever you want, because once you put your bread inside of like a broker or something, like shit, usually they allow you to put whatever you want, like especially like the other brokers, you know what I'm saying? So you can put whatever you want inside of the accounts. If you want to put $5-10, you can do that, you know what I mean? So do your thing, you know, if you want to play small. But really shit, like I'm saying, like really put a little bread in your account and try this experiment. All right, so that's step 1. So step 2, Okay, step 2, smash that like button. No, I'm kidding, fucking with you. But hey, step 2. So step 2, you're gonna enter a trade this week. Okay, you're gonna enter a trade with. I'll go ahead and I'll post this on Twitter too. I'll post this on fucking Instagram as well, just so I can reiterate, because some people are gonna be like, I missed the live, man. So step 2, I want you to enter a trade. But the thing is, set your stop loss, but do not close this trade for 48 hours. If you want to hold it longer, okay, you can hold it longer. You can hold it longer. That's up to you. But do not close this trade for 48 hours. If your stop loss gets hit, you have to try it again, reset and try it again. Enter the trade and hold it for 48 hours. All right, now a lot of people, some people, I mean, you guys are already doing your swing trading. You already moving. You already getting cracking. You already stopped gambling. You know what I mean? Some people scalp though. You know, there's great scalpers out here. You feel me? There's dope scalpers out here that really get cracking every day and make that moolah. You know what I mean? But for this challenge, you don't even have to scalp. This challenge, I just want you to get in. You know what I mean? Get in and do your thing. Okay. Take a trade, okay, and hold it for 48 hours. All right. The third part. So that's 1, open an account. 2, take a trade and hold it for 48 hours. All right. 3, you got to make a creative video. All right. I'm gonna play the song and we'll talk about the song and all of that. I'll pull up Silver while we're doing that. I think I already had Silver up. Okay, here it is, XAG. This is Silver right here. So I'll pull up Silver while we got that up. You feel me? So I'll play the song, but basically you just have to have the song in the video while you're holding the trade, so it could be creative. Like last time when we did the in a mink coat challenge, you feel me, people were on top of the roof in mink coats and fucking robes and all type of shit, slam dunking. I remember the TikToks that came out, like it was super creative. It was fun. I think somebody made a skit, you know what I mean? So no, somebody made a skit for the winning profit trying to stop it, you know what I mean? So but it was just like, that's what we on. That's the vibe. That's the creativity I want to see for you guys for this one. So so for this challenge, hey, you got 2 weeks, $500 up for grabs. You feel me? What's 2 weeks from today? Let me go ahead and see what 2 weeks from today is. I gotta fix my mic shit too. This shit keep moving. I'll fix it after the stream. I be hitting it all the time and shit. So today is the 2nd, right? So 2 weeks from today is the 16th. All right. So on August 16th, I'll be giving away $500, and we'll be reviewing all the videos from you guys' entries. Okay, so anybody who has entries, go ahead and do your thing, man. And I can't wait to see the creativity and what you do. All right, so the song, all right, you guys have already been listening to it, turning up to it, but some people are gonna be stumping it out. Some people gonna be vibing. Like it like the energy I wrote it with, the energy I rapped it with, like it's that energy. So for sure, you should be on that energy. You know what I mean? Because I wrote it with that energy. Like, yeah, nigga, you should be turning up to this. You should be, you know what I'm saying, doing your shit to this. It's like, yeah. Hard body. Let's get it. We're gonna get on this Silver though. All right, so I'm gonna mark up Silver. I'm gonna mark up Silver while I let the song play. All right, but you know how I'll go ahead and do my typing thing, so you'll see the text in this corner right here. All right, let's get it. Spam that chat. Spam your favorite. Spam if you're gonna be able to do the challenge or not. You just gotta hold the trade for 48 hours. Spam if you'll be able to accomplish the challenge or not. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be able to hold that trade for 48 hours and make the video. Let me know in the comment section right now if you really feel like you'll be able to accomplish that. I know for some of you it's hard. You look at your phone all day. You feel me? You're addicted. You're Forex junkies. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So hey, let's get it though. Let's get it. You don't need 500. You don't need 500 to get in, bro. You got this. The smallest amount is like $5, or not 5, but 10. You feel me? So if you go to Trader's Way or something and you put $10 in an account, you could break that $10 account into 2 $5 accounts. You know what I'm saying? They let you make accounts as many as you want on the back end. So let's do it. 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 All right, Silver. Boom. We're in a 4-hour. I could scale up to the daily, but I definitely see this cracking right here. You're like, what's that, Ty? What's that, Ty? For me, I'm looking at it not necessarily as really divergence, but as like once I know where the trend is going, I'm just looking for more areas. I will be looking for more areas to get in. Now, am I in Silver? No. Okay, and I'm not gonna be capping like, oh yeah, I'm in a Silver trade, I'm in this trade, I'm in every trade, you know what I'm saying, I'm in every trade. Like, bro, like niggas be capping, bro. Y'all not in every single trade. You feel me? I've missed trades before, I've missed trains before. So it's like what Gucci said, I want some miss one, buzz 15, one coming, you feel me? So like another one, like basically another one coming in 15. So just wait, you know what I'm saying? And your bus will be here. Your bus will be here. All right, let's get it. All right. There we go. This should be tripping. Like my microphone heavy as hell. So I'll be having to like hold that shit, cause that That shit heavy. But I guess it's gonna sit. I ain't gonna fuck with it though. You feel me? Let's get it. Trade or die. Let's get it. So boom, that's that. Gold. This silver. Go to the daily. All right, man. What's cool about this is like I'm liking this trend right here. Price keeps bouncing against this little shit. Every time it bounces against this little area, we're getting a lot of bullish pressure. All right, and then the cap or this resistance point is like 24.7. All right, so silver, look, it could break out. The last candlestick was bullish as fuck on the daily after, hella days of just people being indecisive and not being able to make up their minds. So in a sense, the red days could possibly be done and silver could be on the up and up, getting into, we got to look at the weekly to see, where it could go. Shit. Okay, where's the next point in silver? 26.9. So like 26.9. All right. That's the next point. I'm just looking left. I'm just looking left. So that's a price that it could possibly get up to. So 26.9 is where that's at. All right. So right now price is at 24.4. So that's like, $2 more. All right. Then we look at the monthly. And really, shit, look at the monthly candlestick. To be honest, that's a fucking engulfing. It engulfed all of this. Like it ate the whole world of gain. So shit, silver could keep going and getting cracking like gold, and it could be a possible another month of just coming up to $34 doing another 10. Because if I go ahead and look at it on the monthly and do a Fibonacci on the monthly, all right, where the fuck is my fib at, bro? There it is. Shit, in a sense I could drag that shit from here to here. You pulled it all the way from back here in November 08. Why'd you do that? Well, really, because this is on the monthly. So I just went from the lowest to the highest point on a monthly. So the 50 is that, I thought it was 26, but the 50 is really sitting at 28. So that's $4. And then shit, if you get to the 38.2, that's around the $33 area or the $34 area. So could price push there? It already did fucking, what was that, like a $6 gain? Yeah, from 24, well, from 17 or 18 to 24 for sure. Easy call. So it should be on the move. Silver should definitely be on the move, and let's get it popping. So let's go to, so we did gold. Did we do gold? We did gold. So we knocked out all the big shit. We did gold, silver, SPX 500, Nasdaq 100, US 30, and now we about to get into the cryptos. We can do cryptos and shit, but we get into crypto, we get into GBP, we get into Euro USD, we get into all of those. I know you guys like those pairs and shit too. So, all right, this is on the daily. This is what I had marked up last week. If you guys were able to catch the entire bull run last week and you're able to hold your pants, then you definitely would have had fun with this. So here's that 24th and then 26, 27. So here's the Monday candle or Sunday Monday candle right here. So on the 27th, so if you got in on the 27th, and really, I don't know if you watched the Sunday analysis, but if the week is supposed to be bullish all week, okay, get in and then we bullish all week. I don't know how y'all trade, but for sure, you feel me? Go ahead and play, where is this shit at? Trade, hey, run that shit up. Let's get it. Why did I already have a song loaded and then go like run it back? That's that shit though. Let's get it. So we see GU sitting at resistance. We see Nasdaq sitting at resistance. We see a lot of shit sitting at resistance right now. All right. So am I expecting a rechase? I definitely am. Okay. Definitely am. How far will we pull back? A lot of people are like, oh, we're gonna pull all the way back. And it's like, yeah, but then shit, we've been bullish so much, you feel me? Like, I don't even feel like it's gonna do all that. We might go to 127. It's a possibility we could hit 127. It's a lot of gain, loss, and then push back up. And shit, I'm looking at on the daily, so I'm just looking at like where buyers could possibly get in, or price may be like, nah, fuck that. We already had that red, you feel me, to the downside. You may come down like, shit. Damn, I don't want to say it, but that's what it is. That's like, shit, 300 pips, yeah? From 130 to 127, that's what it is. That's where that fucking point is hidden. Or price could shit just keep pushing, you feel me, to the upside, because it already in a sense broke out, but then like it's not a break. Like it's gonna play its pattern, it's gonna play its position, you feel me. But then if you take all this out the chart, I'm gonna tell you, if you take all this off the chart, all right, so I'm just giving you different perspectives. Look at it. We already see it. We already see the retrace coming. You know how to trade. We already been bullish, so we already seen the retrace coming. All right. But if we look at the monthly, right, then it looks a little bit different. And then in a sense, that looks like a fucking double bottom on the month. And you're like, wait, what? But then, right? You feel me? So let me go ahead and show you that area where that's at. Like that's that area right there. Boom. You see where price is just smacking all through there. So that's where, in a sense, it was like a double bottom on the month. Now, if you go ahead and throw your, where the fuck? Oh, there it is. Your harmonics on here, then for sure you're gonna see the little retrace coming, as you should. You feel me? As you should. So we get a pullback, and then we should continue shit to the upside. So the next point after the monthly gets cracking and really hits that plateau, because if last month did all of that gain and we're supposed to continue shit getting cracking, the market's supposed to continue bullish, as we looked at the XPX, as we looked at Nasdaq, as we looked at, you know, US 30, and we see these indexes on this uptrend. Like, I mean, in a sense, this is gonna follow. The market is trying to recover, you know what I mean? So shit, we just keep seeing this thing getting hammered away. We keep seeing this price being pushed up, and the next possible price is like 132. Now, when will it get to 132? I'm not sure, but this is a bullish engulfing. This is a big ass candlestick right here. You feel me? And it's eating shit. It's pretty much ate all of this right here. This whole little, like that shit engulfed it. You feel me? So like we definitely expect it to get to that 133. That's this first area. Once it busts 133, then I'm gonna run that Forex trader back. Then we're gonna get to that 141 area. So maybe in the next few months you should see GU get to about 141, you know? So I mean, you're gonna have swing traders trying to swing that motherfucker and get all 10, what is that? Because 100 pips would be like 31. So then a thousand on this pair would be like shit, 140. Yeah. that'd be reckless. You feel me? I don't know, not for 10 hours probably. That shit had my back hurting. No cap. But that's GU. So we looked at it long term. We looked at it on the intraday. You guys got you know what I'm saying, you got ways that you can look at this market. So you know where price is going long term. You know where price is going intraday. Now let's move on. We're gonna go ahead and get over to that EU. All right, Euro USD. Now Euro USD smacked like what was that, 119, some shit, and then retraced. You feel me? So shit, I don't think it's gonna crash again. And this the monthly. I feel like it hit that high and then retraced. But look at this whole trend has been broke, bro. This is a monthly chart. So it was on a downtrend. It was, and yeah, it's on a downtrend still. Okay, it was on a downtrend, but now what trend is it in? The trend has been broken. It's a brand new trend. So now we have to change directions. Feel me? Mind you, this is the monthly. All right. Try to match these wicks up right here. 1 second. There we go. Match them hoes up. There we go. So could we get a slight pullback? I mean, in a sense, we got one. You feel me? Got a slight pullback, possibly 116, 115. It's a possibility because we did see a drop in GU as well. But then shit, still on a monthly, it's the monthly. So it's like, well, the beginning of the month start off bad, but then look at Bitcoin, look at gold. Like Bitcoin on a weekend just went stupid. So it's a lot of shit that's cracking right now. You know what I mean? So it's like you got to kind of look at it like, let's just take this off and trade it for what we see. Like, okay, we know it's a possible pullback coming, but then it did hit 119 and then pull back. So then you could possibly see next week, new candlestick open, little slight drop, and then boom, push to the upside. So then 125 is that next point. So, I mean, long term, we're looking at 125 on EU. And you're like, what about for the week? Yeah, we like, boom, here's the weekly right here. Boom, that's the weekly. You feel me? That's the weekly. So if you trading on the weekly, we still moving, and the pullback could be real. So then we have to come to like the daily, and you start seeing the pullback, boom, like 114. So that it's a possibility because that's our next low point in a sense, like 114, 115. So could price go to 114, 115? It's a possibility. It's a possibility, but ultimately we are in an uptrend. So I mean, next week you could see some red starting off the week, and then we just get back cracking up into the uptrend. Okay. All right, because like I said, we did check the indexes. We know the indexes kind of drive these markets as well. So you kind of seen that everything was at its high, and then either A is gonna gap and just continue going, like fuck it, and that's just what it is. It just continue going. Like people thought Tesla was gonna slow down, and then Tesla got popping. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what it is. It's nothing to be like, oh, why? Well, shit, that's the market. That's the market. Okay. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So that's EU, okay? Call out another pair. Call out some more pairs in the chat. Call out some more pairs in the chat. This is EU. We were on EU. All right, that was on the daily. We went to the daily. We did GU. Call out some more pairs. I'm gonna go ahead and check out what you guys are looking for. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yo, let's turn this motherfucker out one time. Check it out, it's gonna go like this, look. All the trade niggas to the left, all the trade bitches to the right. Check your motherfucking phones out, cause we're about to get it cracking this bitch. What's happening? Oh yeah. What? Trade, run that shit up. Cost money, busting the numbers. Trade, gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga. Trade, fucking it up. Buck it up, buck it up, buck it up. Trade game shit gon' lock for a dub. Bust down, coast, T5 on thumb. Trade, what's the runs now? Still in German 30 on the bust down. Trade, yeah, it's hitting, huh? Got gold runners hitting on the touchdown. Index funds running, so what's up now? XPS 500, keep the truck loud. Trade, talk my shit, yeah. Keep it on demand, price hit, price hit. You better have a plan, my alerts don't miss. Trade it with the trend, get the bands on flip. Trade it with the trend, double up on the lick. ETF cheek, long-term dividends. Trade, money on waves. Keep the black tens, cause the nigga don't play. Keep the sticky hot off the rip every day. Smashing in the lane, get the fuck out my way. Trade, run that shit up. Cost money, busting the numbers. Trade, gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga. Trade, fucking it up. Buck it up, buck it up, buck it up. Trade game shit gon' lock for a dub. Bust down, coast, T5 on thumb. Trade, what's the dealio? New Forex course, niggas, what you really on? Trade, you just copy all my videos. We know your whole get down, that's why we in control. Trade, mask up, black mask shit, shit go dumb. Big 40 bucks, make them shit when they run. Better pay out or we coming for the funds. Trade, so you think I'm on one? We in the money game, trying to snatch at your plugs. Brokers on face like they got it, so what? Big reps on face like we mobbing, what's up? Steals on still, talk to rockin' them drums. Battles of the families, family got sub. Move out the shadows to the front of the bus. Move out the way so it lead to the trust. Trade, run that shit up. Cost money, busting the numbers. Trade, gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga. Trade, fucking it up. Buck it up, buck it up, buck it up. Trade game shit gon' lock for a dub. Bust down, coast, T5 on thumb. Trade, run that shit up. Cost money, busting the numbers. Trade, gold on the rise. 10 live, 50 live, go slide, nigga.
For sure, for sure. So that was Forex Trader by Tyllionaire. So people are like, yo, what's the song that we're gonna use for the challenge? And then that's the song that we're using for the challenge. So you just type in Forex Trader, Tyllionaire, and then you can grab that song. You literally could just download it right off of YouTube. If I mean, come on, it's that simple, you know what I'm saying? So you just use that song, attach that to the video that you make, so you can be like Forex Trader dash Tyllionaire challenge, Forex Trader challenge, however you want to put it into YouTube, so it can rank and stuff like that. So I'll be able to see it. And then yeah, so you guys got 2 weeks. August 16th, I believe that's what I said. That's when the competition is over. And let's get it. You feel me? You guys, all you got to do is hold the trade for 2 days. So I'm giving you 2 weeks just in case you fuck up for the first week. You know what I'm saying? So you got another week, like, oh man, okay, I can get it right this week, you know? So let's get it. So boom. So look, it's a pin bar on a weekly. So what it's signaling is, yeah, it could be possibly a red week, but I'm not saying the whole week is gonna be red. We already know we got hella bullish power. We know it's really good. Okay, so I'm not like, oh man, it's gonna be a bearish all week. I'm just saying, look, it's a pin bar, so the market could just start off and continue sliding, you know, just continue sliding a little bit just to try to readjust itself, because it's the beginning of the month. Readjust itself, people are selling off, and just get ready for the new buyers to come in. The bulls are still in control. The doji does still mean that, hey, it is indecision. What indecision means is, hey, I can't decide. That's indecision. So that's what a doji means. It's I can't decide or we can't decide. We're trying to make it up. We're trying to make it up. You know what I mean? So let's get it. So boom, let's delete this. This is the weekly. All right, what chart are you on? It's the weekly. All right, go to the monthly. That's the monthly. So you should remember the COVID months. These were the COVID months right here. Remember these COVID months and when everything was kind of dropping and oh man, the market's gonna crash and everything was dropping. Those were the COVID months and now here's post market recovery right here. So everything is starting to recover and we're on that wave right now. So I mean, shit, that we're getting there. Trump is doing what he's doing all on Twitter. You know, he's trying to push. He's talking about the drug industry now and all type of stuff. We know, you know, the drug industry has a lot of influence in these financial markets as well. You know what I mean? So just something to look out for. We should always, you know, stay updated and you know, get it like that. Bro said I'm the soldier boy of Forex. Hey, don't count because I got the dance, huh? That's funny. You said you're forgetting about fundamentals. Shit, what you want me to do? Throw in a not a Fibonacci, a moving average or some shit. You know what I mean? Who's that? Rob on here? What's up, Rob? What's the deal? I see bro on there. Let's get it. I'm about to play that money waves. Big shit. Too lit, man. Hey, appreciate you guys. You guys really been running them streams up too, man. So I keep making playlists, putting my songs in there. Let's run them up. We got what, like 1,000 people live right now. If all of you guys were literally to go over to any of my songs right now and just press play for like 30 seconds, you feel me? It will go up by like shit, 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So it's really that simple. So yeah, you should just get cracking. You know what I mean? Play that shit. We getting cracking. I definitely see the numbers going stewy though. Numbers going stewy. All right, so this is AU. Shit, it'll eventually get to this 80. It looks like price is trying to break out right now. Once that new monthly candle opens up, it's gonna be fresh. It should possibly take a little dip and then just keep going up. So could we get to, we should get to 73 first. Right now we're at 71, so price should get to like 73. We may get to 73 by the end of this month. You know what I mean? So it's a possibility we might get to that 73 at the end of this month. Right now price is at 71 cents, so boom, we just got to get to 73. Okay, cool. You said Australia on lockdown again. Hey, well, you already seen the weekly, so you kind of know, like, hey man, it's a possibility that it could be a little red before it's green. But looking at the outlook, just looking at, you know, just long term, like short term, okay, that's your short term game. But long term, like, man, you're gonna be able to hold this joint because I mean, yeah, we are recovering. It is moving. Let's get it. He said it's more than a dance. You got the wealth mindset, not the money mindset. Hey, oh, cause niggas be listening to the joint. I understand. It's lit. Let's go. You feel me? All right, so next, boom. Let's get to that US CAD. All right. Let's get to that US CAD. We're gonna have that money on waves playing while I mark up that US CAD.
Yeah. Trade game shit go tempo.
Trade!
Tenfold. Trade game shit on tenfold.
Yeah.
Big team up, big time. I trade, yeah, I get it. This will probably be a song. Without a hook, you gotta soak every word in like a book. Better yet, set it in. Feel like you on a roof. Ay, money like it's Saturday, commas inside the room. And karma never miss, so you better grab a broom. Clean that shit up, or you go through the looms. Go through that shit like it's nothing to lose. Understand life will just give you a mirror that you be projecting. Do everything to protect all your views. Freedom is rare, so do as you choose. But every choice always comes with a noose. Addicted to something, addicted to sorrow. Or skip it today, cause you live for tomorrow. Addicted to money, but stick to my balls. Stick to my lane and I stay on my toes. Trade ain't shit, yeah, I trade with my woes. Thread through the needle, I see through the lows. Still eat the oodles and still in my roots. Walking that way, so be walking the line. This one recouping that feeling inside. Ay, let the profit just turn on the rise. Overflowing, so turn up the fire. Turn up the basement and flow to the vine. Smash the whole ceiling, just open the fire. Songs that change life as you let them do right. Hear this shit changing your energy, changing your synergy. I know you feeling me, bopping your head cause you feeling the interlink. Link to your conscience, I'm locked to the markets, I'm locked to the targets. I said it, I'm done it. Money your line when the bell ring is thunder. Be in the trenches, got scalpers and runners. Talking that shit, but we moving like bundles. Like down on Twitter when I tweet, we lunching. Then buy up the block, sell them, running deposits. We still in withdrawal mode, nigga, we got it. Still been the face in the game, trending topic. Call out the place where got eyes in the tropics. Business the orders, my nigga. Big money, we hoarding, my nigga. Like poker, this hold my nigga.
And we stay with the sticks.
Big of my wrist, keep the trade over tens. Cook up the work and keep trading the 10. Throwing up the lot, but just stick to the plan. Games over time, and that's games over years.
Hold on.
Don't be playing with fire, don't play with your kids. Don't be playing with life, it is beat overkill. I'm still on my shit, been a dream since a kid. Make money with family, make music and live. Live life to the fullest, my nigga.
Let's get it.
Don't be full of shit, nigga. On the path to
Hey, my favorite part coming up.
just put your clothes on the linen. Trade gang shit. Look.
Woo!
Niggas wanna drop our tempo. Ay, trade gang shit.
We're gonna be at the show so lit. So lit, ladies and gentlemen.
Big teams poppin' tryna hit on tempo. Ay, trade gang shit. Money on waves, big bank on spin.
Money on waves. Whole stadium gonna be lit. Oh yeah. Shit. So what I'll be telling you, get your ticket soon. All right, let's talk about this US CAD real quick. Let's talk about this US CAD. Oh. Let's talk about this US CAD, man. Hey, in the chat, man, spam where you guys are from. In the chat, man, spam where you guys are from. And let me get a tracking in the comment section too. Turn over one time for the one time.
Okay.
How you doing? Good morning. All right, so look, price is still in the downtrend. The current trend is bearish, okay? But the past 2 days seem to be like a correction. Just because you have to understand it's the end of the month, all right? So, well, it's the beginning of the month, but when the market was doing all this correction and stuff, it was the end of the month. So that's why it was doing what it was doing, okay? All right, so this new monthly candlestick that's gonna print today is gonna let us know where market wants to go. It's gonna start, you know, possibly pulling back to the, I feel like UCAD gonna pull back to the upside just a little bit, just so it can create another entry. But you seen that I had those little green shits there originally. Like, what was those green things? He was drawing on the charts. I was really just showing you how a downtrend moves. It moves to the downside. And you can see that's what it is. So we can even turn this into a line chart. And you can see that this line is gonna continue to the downside. So what does line do? Literally just like, I mean, shit, man, I don't even want to have to. I shouldn't have to teach you about a line chart, but you should read a graph. If you looked at this, I mean, where's this line going to? Where's this thing going to continue? To the downside. Why would you say it's going up? Where's it going? You know what I mean? So, mind you, I'm on the daily chart. All right. So, what chart am I on? I'm on a day. All right. So, I'm on a day. Okay. It looks like it's just pulling back like a wave right now. If you're looking at a wave, it looks like it's just pulling back. All right, pulling back just so people can go ahead and get that new entry. All right, so that's the daily. This is the monthly. You can go ahead and delete all this, and that's what the monthly looks like. All right, so I mean, in a sense, you already know what the whole 3 black pros and all of that, you feel me, looks like. And shit, I mean, in a sense, that's kind of what we have here. So could we continue dropping? It's a possibility, but prices already kind of got to that level, you feel me, where I feel like it's just gonna start retesting. So the month should open up where really you just go ahead and retest, okay? And then after it finishes its retest, it should continue shit to the downside, continue dropping. And the monthly is looking like UCAD might go ahead and get to this 129 area. All right, so if we was to throw a fib on that, that'll go ahead and be like the exit for that. Now that's long term, that's monthly. We already went to the daily, you feel me? Like I showed you, we're already in a sense kind of pulling back just a little bit. So market might try to pull back. So like 135, something like that, 136, and then drop again. And just continue, you feel me? So let's get it. All right, that's UCAD. Let's go to USD Swiss. USD Swiss, you see the last day pulling back after shit so much drop to the downside. Like it just been nothing but boom, boom, boom. Okay, cool. Last day of the month or last day of the month, basically everybody closed their trades out. You feel me? Is that not what happened here? Was really good though. If people just not close out their trades at the bottom of the channel, you feel me? So close them out. Shit, price probably come back in, just rise a little bit, probably go to like 91,900, 92 or something like that, and then just continue the trend that it was already initially on. Now that's the daily. So we looking at it from a higher time frame just because that's how you able to really get a look at the week. Like, I mean, you could trade the intraday, but it's much easier and much simpler, you know what I'm saying, to just look at everything from a higher time frame, you know what I mean? So that's what makes it simple for me, at least. I mean, you know what I mean? So I always do my top down, and then if I want to take an entry, you guys already know, man, go right into the 5, go into the 15, like find yourself an entry in and just ride. Just the 4 hour. All right, so yeah, the 4 hours kind of swinging a little bit. Look like possibly get another push, and there it is. Like it's at 91, so there's 92 right there. So it's like, oh man, possibly get up to 92, and then just go right back to dropping. Boom, that's the weekly. All right, and when you look left, shit, in a sense, it's already broke through first level. Feel me? Could it come back up to retest? It's a possibility. What's that retest area? 92, right? For sure. So that's 92 right there at the bottom. So it could, boom, retest and then come back to hit 85. But on the weekly, it's looking like shit. Price probably shit throughout the year, get off to that young 85. You know what I'm saying? Right now, price is at 91, but definitely we can see that shit dropping. He said, let me know when you want me to come get her. You know, Queen about to act up. She just riding her horse in the circle. She was riding her horse in a circle, but that's the weekly. That's what I see going on. I mean, could it continue? It definitely could. So that's how we trading it. All right, let's get it. He said any pairs with USD are all bearish. Hey man, no cap. He said I'm a pro at Focus in all of my back singing and I'm tuned in. Hey, that's funny. Hey Jay, funny. Bro be on niggas. He said dude DXY next. Okay, we could do that. We could do that. Let's get it. Where can I listen to music? Literally just type in my name, type in Tyillionaire on any platform, and that's what it is right there. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat as well. You feel me? Definitely try to get cracking with you guys and do it like that. He said I'm receiving the comments late. Facts. Like over here it don't show me the comments, but over here it showed me the comments. It's pretty weird, but you know that's what it is. So let's get to another pair. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Somebody said DXY. Okay, cool. Hey, chill out. Queenie. She in here throwing the horse now. Now she mad at the horse. Queen. Hey, go down to the mommy, okay? She about to go downstairs. Sheesh, easy call. I mean, well, you see where that shit's dropping to. And it's the monthly, so fucking, what, 88? That's where we going next. She throwing shit down the stairs. What you doing?
Come here, baby.
My bad. She be on me, but yeah, man, let's get it. So, all right, so this is the monthly, you feel me? So we got a big monthly bearish engulfing. You pretty much know what a monthly bearish engulfing means and what it is. That means that it should continue to the downside, like it's looking like it's gonna continue, okay? So, yeah, bro, they're looking like it's getting to that 88.8 area. That's where we should be looking at going for the next month, you feel me? And that's just what it is. He said, so is it better to wait for a trade to hit support or resistance level then hop in? I mean, it's really up to you. It's up to your patience level. Like, can you or do you want to move early? Like me, I'm patient. Like boom, when it gets in my area, we fire. Boom, we in there. What's up? You feel me? Somebody said still going down. Man, what setup is best? Dax pays the bills. Damn, Nene going hard on somebody. Somebody going crazy in the chat. You said looks spanked. Nah, she didn't get spanked. You said your baby's so cute. For sure. All right, let's get it. So boom, now we off the DAX and we about to go move on to we do GJ. Let's do GJ. All right, a lot of people like GJ. We go move on to GJ. Then we're gonna go check out Bitcoin, and then shit, man, let's get it. You know. All right, it's dope. All right, so Here it is. Here's GJ, and this is the weekly. So a lot of people are asking me, yo, what am I marking up on? I'm marking up on the week. We're doing a weekly analysis. So if the last week was, we had 2 weeks of basically green, prices sitting at this resistance point. We looked at price at resistance literally on every board though. Every board prices at resistance. So all across the board, we're kind of expecting the market to just pull back. It's the beginning of the month. Could we start off great? The thing is, yes. Yeah, we can. You know what I mean? And I mean, that's a possibility too. So the people who are already bullish, who've already been riding these trends and stuff, shit, they'll just be able to continue holding these positions on throughout to the next area, which is 144. So we're gonna get there. It may take 2 weeks. It may take 3 weeks. It may take shit. It could be the whole month, and then we get to this 144 area. Right now, price is at 138. You know what I mean? So you got like a 600 pip gain to go, especially on what's this pair right here? GJ. So that's, I mean, big shit. You know what I mean? You said that's your favorite pair? Man, you said all great British pound pairs. Yeah, definitely. You see them all looking bullish. Everything's looking bullish, but then it's at that resistance point. So it's just like, wait for it, pull back a little bit, and then boom, it's continue doing what it was doing. You know what I mean? But that's definitely what we're in right now. This is the monthly. All right, so this is what the monthly looks like. All right, if we go back a little further, then this looks like a little double bottom. Bam. All right, the next point is 144. That's literally sitting right on top. So if you want to do your monthly SNR or whatever, little triangles and pennants and everything else, then that's what you're looking at. So price still, in a sense, gotta fill. And if over the next month it will fill, that's 144. All right, or it could be 2 months. It could be 2 months to it. I mean, it's not. How do we know? You know what I mean? Shit. Let's get it. You said pound and the euro rip. Y'all going up. Bitcoin, we can go to Bitcoin. You said, yo, check out your music. You sent me the joint. All right, hit me. You said you never got spanked. Yeah, I got spanked when I was a kid. I mean, shit, Queen, she usually just listen though. You know what I mean? So like, you hear her talking and probably writing in a book or some shit right now. Bro, he on GJ, what you on? It is a tricky pair though. Yes, it is. Forex bag talk next. All right, I'll load up bag talk for y'all. Damn, y'all know the songs. That's what I'm saying. That's why I rock with y'all. You feel me? That's why I rock with y'all. No cap. Huh? I'm telling you, hey, don't, cause you gonna let's your join up if you do that. So all my life. So this GJ we did. Let's call out some more stuff. Somebody said Bitcoin. We go over to Bitcoin.
Money on your corner, get your pocket and they spaz off. Playing switch them up and move that work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit that block and then they spaz off. Playing switch them up, then move the work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. This politics been running this shit since college kids. Know I got some mileage and they talk that shit, but rock that shit. Say they out here in the market, I bleed that shit like carbon kills. This that soul that they've been missing, I'm the heartbeat and the thrill. They know I got that golden eye, and I pass it through the hills. Now my little niggas rise, and they just feel like they can live. Take the choppers out and ride it straight or die until the end. Make 100 live accounts and fill them up until they spill. Keep the leverage on 1,000 adjusted just from hidden bills. If they max at 500, they run the clip until it's clear. Until TRADDEEE the only fucking name that they hear. Until TRADDEEE the only fucking name that they fear. Use the music like they use the music, not when it appears. This another year of fuckery, so back that kid and licks. Keep the money moving solid, keep the op shit in bricks. We the trade niggas and I say everything off that list. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit your block and then they spaz off. Playing switch them up and move that work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit that block and then they spaz off. Playing switch them up, then move the work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Presidente code like a bench. Hit the foreign exchange like a drug game. 100 pips off gold, 5 and some change. Consolidated so you know I'm gon' eat off the range. Easy money off the rip, just a flip. Trade with the trend and get rich. Big bank rolls, little bitch. Not the Rothschilds, we the family in here. It's trade or die, that's the model. Life of the rich. Bitcoin growing fast, every business except. And it's the wild, wild west, better get with the steps. Most notorious are known for breaking the banks. Hit a glitch in it, cat that we own the estates. Know the code to the game and I know what to say. You know the girls that like to fuck on the first date. You not a hoe, you just know what you want, babe. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, get your block it, then they spaz off. Playing switch them up and
All right, let's get it. That was Forex back talk, but check it. So Bitcoin hit 12K yesterday, then dropped like crazy. Basically, it wasn't necessarily a drop. It was just a retest. So the month already got cracking. All right, this is a new month right now. That's why it's sitting on the doji right now. So this new month that we're on, that's the doji that we're on. The previous month, it was it was engulfing. It wasn't like a crazy engulfing, but it was just a solid bullish candlestick. We've already had our rise. We've already had, in a sense, possibly the retest in Bitcoin. It did hit 10.5 after it hit 12K. This was all in like one day. So, I mean, Bitcoin got cracking the first day of the month. All right, so where we can continue going for the rest of this month, I definitely see it going to like 14,000. Okay, and then really after it passes, like, look, the month is looking bright. Like Bitcoin's future is looking bright, you know what I mean? And do we have a runner? We definitely have a runner. And that's just what it is, you know what I mean? Shit, that's the daily. So that's that little retest joint right here where it already smacked that 10.5. So now price is like it's trying to push back up. You feel me? And that's why you see it like that. All right. So if you know your trends and shit, you see where price is going, it's probably gonna try to smack that 12 again today and then drop, like Bitcoin be getting off. So that's just really what it is. So you was able to catch it around the area that you was able to catch it. If you was able to get it cracking early, then cool. If you was able, I mean, shit, could this be a great possible point? I mean, 11.2, possibly, you know what I'm saying? It's setting up nice. You got to check your spreads, everything looking bullish. You feel me? Just check your spreads right now. If anything, throw a stop or alert. You feel me? Throw some alerts in so you know. Because definitely it could try to retest that 10.5 again just because Bitcoin is active like that. You know what I mean? But if it's already smacked 12, dropped to 10.5 for the retest, and now it should continue on the up and up. We've looked at the monthly, we've looked at the weekly, everything looking like it could be golden. Okay. Let's do the shit. He said we caught all of that. Hell yeah, Bryce. Hell yeah. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Speaking of run it up, don't it got a song like run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up? Hold on. I know y'all know what song that is. It's dope. We got songs, man. It's really a vibe. I like that. We can really get on Sunday and just vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, you start getting these things cracking, you feel me? You start bringing friends. Next Sunday, bring all your friends. Tell them like, yo, man, this nigga Ty got some shit cracking. If you got progress, like, let me see your progress. But I definitely can't wait to see the challenges you guys drop when you drop the challenges. That's gonna be lit, man. The Forex challenges, you feel me? So it's called the Forex Trader Challenge. You already know the song to do the video too. You guys already got the rules and shit like that. I'll put it out again just so for the people who missed Sunday and it's like, oh man, I missed the Sunday, man. I have to, look back at it again now. You know, and yeah, so let's get that, let's hit that splash, get on that vibe right now, and then shit, go ahead, man, call out one more pair, and then I guess I'll be hopping off this bitch, enjoying some time with my family this Sunday. You know what I mean? I'll probably be in the Discord turning up. And like I said, tomorrow, Monday, when you go to the TRADDEEE website, it's definitely going to be different than what you've been looking at. It's going to be a timer and it may be some interesting stuff there. So you might have to tap in every week. Well, you're going to tap in every week because we got new shit coming every single week. But definitely every Friday, once again, I'm updating the store. And then, shit. Every day this week is going to be something interesting on the site. So just, be looking out for what's going to be there. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be dope. All right.
Mix that, flip that, whip that, get that direct deposit on that, invest in double back, spin that, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This that, mix that, whip that, flip that, get that direct deposit on that, invest in double back, spin that, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Make it move and stash it, invest in double back, never moving backwards.
She out here dancing. Look, come here. Yeah, I'll do it later.
Trade talk, key stay focused, I'ma eat no play bout. These on the same route, look, 16 easy route, 3's on the lane bout. Curry let it ring what you say about burgers on ring, big teams on way now, yeah. Still push with big drop when I want a keep smooth.
Where's Queen at?
It's fuck what you
Okay, she
say.
right there.
Fuck your courses, I'm straight to the bank. You gotta spend all your time on the phone cause you selling that shit that's eating your day. Me? I'm straight off the charts with the pussy, you're straight up the charts on the video game. Stay on your neck, gasoline on the flame. Never gon' stop as a 100 get rain. Forex so cold, run up over the pain. Forex endeavors is all in my veins. Written in ink as I cruise through the lane. Unrock the power of minds up against. Gains over times, man, I play over time. Stay over time, I'ma lead over grind. And lead with the dimes. Stay with the profits, I'm ocean and vibes. Ocean and blunts, and I'll go with the lines. Stick to the bases, my nigga. Support the resistance, just facing my nigga. Learn to retrust, now you racing my nigga. That's on your face if you play with this nigga. Give you the game, so get paid with this nigga. You see the life as in cameras and pictures. Run up the wealth and just run up the riches. Money and power, just run up the system. This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that, direct deposit, all that. Invest this, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This, that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit, all that. Invest this, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Is that part where you do your money dance? Turn that shit without time for the one time. What's up? BOG, nigga. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. What's good, what's good, what's good? This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that, direct deposit, all that. Invest this, double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This, that, mix that, whip that, flip that.
All right, let's get it. Yo, so the channel is still bearish, right? Last few days, it's been like rejected to the upside. So you see all these greens, it's doji. So every time it's a doji, it means it's indecisive, but the dojis are green. So you can see price getting hammered to the downside, boom. Every time it tries to go up, it just gets hammered back to the downside. Goes up, gets hammered back to the downside, goes up again, gets hammered back to the downside because, hey, this is a downtrend. Okay, at the end of the day, he said, do USD trade gang. We be doing that one next, no cap. Let's get it. And then, so boom. So last day, Friday, like I said, it was the end of the month. Okay, end of the month, it's always going to be a difference. Sometimes it'll hold the current trend, but usually everybody's closing positions and tighten up stops and shit, it's the end of the month. All right, shit, come back. Price is sitting right here in this area. Last time when we marked this up, what was happening? Price had already broke through. Boom, shit's already broke through. You feel me? It already broke through and did what it needed to do. And then throughout the rest of the week, it just kept moving up to the upside. Okay, or trying to move to the upside and kept getting rejected because the bears just basically holding it into a fucking and holding it in a headlock. All right. So, boom. Prices at old support equals new resistance. This is old support. It was support last week. Now it's resistance this week. Price is also at the top of this channel. You feel me? You already know what's happening. It should cut back down and just continue doing what it's doing inside the channel to the downside. All right. For the rest of the month. Could it do something different? Like, oh man, let's continue the bulls. Shit, it could continue the bulls, but we're looking at this shit from a monthly perspective. It's the daily. All right. That's the week. We looking like, it looks like boom, boom, boom. So it has to get cracking like that. It's the game. You feel me? Too simple. That's the month. Boom. Feel me? So the next retest on the monthly is like 20. Right now, price at 22. So that next place where it should be coming is down to that 20. That's down here. Where the fuck is my, there it is. So boom, this area right here. All right, so that's that monthly. So let's get it. All right, but man, hey, follow me on Instagram. You feel me? Follow me on shit, man. Follow me on IG. Follow me on what am I on Twitter? Follow our Discord. You know what I'm saying? I got the Discord cracking. So if you guys was like, yo, man, it's the Discord. I'm about to give you the Discord right now, so you could definitely get inside of that joint. Trade gang shit. We don't have no other Discords except this one. If you guys get any invites to anything else and it don't say Discord/GG /Trade Gang, it's not us. When you click on the link, if it's not Trade Gang, then it's not Trade Gang. That's what it is, though. He said, how you make it easy look so easy? Because you guys just complicated. Your brain wants to do all this extra shit. Tell your brain to no. Like, be like, no. Like, you control you, bro. You control you. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, so that's what it is. You said Bitcoin on the rise, 200,000. You mean 20,000? I mean, look, to be honest, who knows, bro? Like, shit. Go where go could go. It's no pot. Like, we're moving into a digital age. Like, life is about to be totally different than what you think it is. Amazon is already breaking the norm for how we're gonna do grocery shopping and shit. Like, it's just not gonna be what you think it is. So the valuations of things are gonna change. You know what I mean? Like, how we value money is going to change. How we spend money is going to change. How we do business is going to change. Everything, you know what I mean, that's just what it is. Let's get it. How do I stay so focused? I smoke sativas. I got a family behind me, you feel me? And I just mind my business. Unless somebody come over here fucking with us and then we start focusing on their shit. Then it's, you know, y'all know what it is. Other than that, we just be on our own thing. You say you hate the extra shit, just keep it simple. Nah, no cap. That's really what it's all about. Hey, before we get out of here though, where you guys from? I'm gonna let Mink Coat bang. Y'all almost got that to 12K on YouTube. So just, hey, keep running up the streams. Like I said, every day, literally, you should, if you really fuck with me, this is how you should do it. Boom, make a playlist, get on your phone, whatever, boom, title in there, search it up, spend that shit like 1 time, 2 times, 3 times a day. You feel me? Just, but add that joint into your mix, you know what I'm saying? Just so I can get that spin. Boom, get that spin. You feel me? Really, shit. Where it's really at is title, but I mean, if y'all don't got title, then for sure you got Spotify, Apple Music, whatever, you know. Just, but hey man, when I look on the back end, I'm trying to see that spike. So it's a lot of y'all. We have like 70,000 right now. Let's definitely get them numbers back cracking. You feel me? Let's see that spike. I want to see what y'all really got cracking. Let's see how strong Trade Gang is, because we not just showing us. We got to show the world too. You feel me? We know you getting that dough, but like, what's your influence like? So let's see what that Trade Gang influence is like. Let's start spilling over into these. Let's start spilling over into these joints, and let's get it cracking. You feel me? So the show's gonna be lit. Definitely, we be doing shows soon, so you guys should know all the songs. You pretty much know all the songs already. So when we are at the shows, like it ain't, you're not gonna know what Nasdaq, and that shit banging, and everybody and it's cracking, like, you know what I'm saying, the lights is and it's popping, like it look, but you know, you feel me? So we need to get them shits up, because I want the world to hear us too. Like we out here thumping shit. Like Trey ain't really that motion. If you've been a part of it, what Dreezy say? He was like, if you ain't been a part of it, at least you got the witness. And it was dope is like, you guys have been a part of the YouTube growth, you know what I'm saying, and the getting the information out there and all of that. So let's get it. Appreciate you guys, and let's keep running it up. Feel me? Yeah. You say Amazon Music? Oh yeah. So let's get it. You said what lot sizes are you using? Shit, I don't know. Whatever ones I want. What lot size you use? You said you from Duval? What I buy 5K at Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is high as fuck right now, bro. You should have been grabbing Bitcoin, to be honest. You feel me? If let price get a little bit lower, I would let it get a little bit lower, possibly, shit, and then try to crack that motherfucker again. You know what I mean? So. He said all day, bro. Your track's motivational. Let's get it. Brown, I need to start learning from the beginning. Understand the Japanese candlesticks. But yo, I'm about to get up out of this shit. You know what I'm saying? Go enjoy some time with my family. We marked up hella shit today. DXY, JBP, JPY. We did all the big stuff. You guys, when you get a general direction on the market, you pretty much know where it's going. If you know where AU is going, then you know where AJ is going. If you know where GU is going, then you know where GJ is going. If you know where EU is going, then you know where EJ is going. So, I mean, it's super simple. You know what I'm saying? And let's get it. He said, hold your phones up. Who's slapping Nasdaq right now? Oh, let's get it. Hey, hold your phones up to the camera. Who's slapping that Nasdaq right now? Let's get it. You feel me? That shit gonna be lit. We're gonna be at the show's stupid turn. I'm telling you, the shows are gonna be so interesting. Like it's gonna be dope. Like the entertainment industry been over here. They be watching my stories. They be trying to figure what we got cracking over here out. They can't figure it out. They like, the fuck these niggas got going on? Like everybody wants to be a part, but they just haven't figured out how to really connect yet. Cause I mean, we ain't open the door. But like I said, like soon, you know, we get that chance, and you know, we be able to go ahead and make that merge. But like this trade music, like nigga, like hip hop was dope, and I fuck with the culture, but this a new culture. You feel me? It's a new culture of music, a new culture of getting money, a new culture of fashion. Like this trade shit about to be entirely different in the next 5 to 10 years. You know what I mean? So get with it. Let's get it. It's your boy Ty. What the fuck it is? What's happening? And I'm out this bitch. Hey, make sure you guys go run up my streams though. If I'm about to go show you how to run them up right now. Bang, see that right there? Boom, that's in a Mink Coat. You see how it says this topic on the side? Boom, all you gotta do is go to title in there, topic. Right now we're at 907 subs. So I'll go ahead and smack that, give you that link so you can go ahead and you know, get to that topic right there. We at 907. come here, this is my music page, start running it up. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this music page subs up. Let's get to this. My goal for this music page is to get this to like 10K right now. So right now it's only at 1,000. So let's get this joint to like 10K. You feel me? Go ahead and copy that, and I'll go ahead and post it on the live, so you can go ahead and run that up, so we can convert some of these joints right now. And let's get it. Let's get it. Merch is dropping on Friday. You feel me? Now 5 people dislike, 5 niggas getting punched in the eye. And you're gonna have the worst Forex week ever with your negative energy. The title in there, curse. If you dislike a video, your account is going straight to the gulag. Let's get it. He said, I went over there and disliked one of those Thai videos, and now my whole account is fucked. Well, you know, well. But yeah, let's get it though. So hey man, make sure you run my shit up, man. Make sure you subscribe to that channel right there. Let me see, we got active people on here right now, so let me see if we can get those numbers up right now. If you guys haven't already, start hitting that subscribe button. Oh yeah, okay, look, boom, it was at 907, now it's at 914. So let's keep that joint cracking. Hell yeah, let's keep it cracking. Let's keep running it up. Let's keep running it up right now. Let's see what y'all at right now. All right, 917. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See how, but do you see how simple that is? And that's how you could be running my streams up just like that. We did fucking like 20 new subs on that shit already. You know what I mean? So just like that. Now go run my streams up, man. We're gonna keep bringing you these weekly analysis. I fuck with y'all. I fuck with y'all energy. Appreciate you guys for hopping on here with me today.